Thing out. Okay, here we go. Give that to Uncle John.
She's got a good little grip, man. She's like, I don't know about that. Mine. Like the battery. Oh, give me that back.
Yep. You
It's gonna need another minute.
Cool, now we're like, what the fuck is that? I mean, when I get my costume, I'm probably give you some.
What are you doing? No, I played on the piano when I was a kid.
Girl. It slapped.
Nice boots.
Yeah.
Got a lot more cushion than the other ones.
What are you doing? You're upside down.
You have some cool.
Watch out, Sam.
Mom, what time are we meeting here tomorrow in the morning?
Whenever you guys get up and come over.
No, they're really good. Come over, so probably in the morning. And your mom's thing is kind of like in the evening, right?
Oh, hurry up, John. It's getting away. Oh,
Say, I'm quick. I'm quick, Uncle.
tow truck.
Good job, Sam. Sam, move. I'm gonna come up and come to my mom.
It's so mean.
Sam, come here. Get out of the way.
What's the distance on that?
Oh!
It drove up on her hand. She almost had it. You did it. You did it. Never give up. Give us a bed.
Oh, no, it's under that tree. Oh, piece of paper. And he sucks.
We're always taking stuff for that.
Fine, I don't want the stupid thing.
Go right underneath.
What? Is he teasing you, baby?
She's like, you're good. Put it right through like so. She's no energy. You ran into it.
Oh, man.
You should see your face.
What you got? Elephant. He's got scuba stuff like Grandma does. What's that? That's a bear. He's got scuba stuff too. That's a dinosaur. Give that to Grandma. Okay.
More paper.
Yeah. You ready to go night-night, big girl?